Namaste. Welcome to Wesmarc Mega Factory, where you will discover a revolution in doors and frames. Our doors are a complete system. They include the doors, the frames, handles, hardwares, and all other installation accessories all put together, making it truly a world-class solution. At Wesmarc, we don't just make a door, but a super door, which offers superior protection, aesthetics, and finish. With Wesmarc Super Doors, we want to put doors as the same position as that of tiles, marbles, bathware, sanitary, wallpaper, CP fittings, chandeliers, bathrooms, and kitchens to that same level as that of our modern Indian homes. Here in our mega factory, our doors and frames are German engineered and Bharat made. It takes 17 steps to make a Wesmarc Super Door and frame. Let me walk you through them. Now let's take a closer look at our Wesmarc Super Doors that come with a set of superpowers. They are stylish, they are strong, they are safe and smart. Welcome to our Wesmarc Training Academy. Here we have a thorough program which includes the training process, including both theory as well as a practical course. We strive to create a network of installers who can then take up the installation works at site. Once certified, a Wesmarc certified installer can install our super doors and frames with just his two hands in under 60 minutes at any given site. That's the convenience we bring. There's no cutting, there's no polish, there's no tools, there's no hassles at site. Today, our 2 lakh square feet manufacturing space is made with investments of over 200 crore rupees. Our machines are fully automated and state-of-the-art imported from Germany that ensure our production is always of the highest order and of top precision. We also take great pride in ensuring that our team works in a zero-dust environment thanks to the dust-free systems that we've also imported from Europe.
Through our 4-decade-long journey as entrepreneurs, we have stayed in step with the dreams of India. As founders of Asharvad Pipes, we disrupted water management. For the past 5 years, my son Aman and I have been searching the world to bring another blockbuster idea, one that is in keeping with the aspirations of New India. Wesmarc Super Doors is our offering to the people of Bharat, a super product manufactured in our state-of-the-art automated manufacturing facility in Bengaluru, which is better than the best door factories anywhere in the world. With Wesmarc Super Doors, I believe someday all doors will be made this way.